Okay. You will have to read this passage 2-3 times, brothers and sisters. So there is a special relationship between form 2 and form 5. Are you with me? And form 1 and form 7. This kind of a relationship exists in form 1 and 7. Okay. Now, here, Dr. Sahib is explaining, my father married me to Zainab. Here, my father is the subject. There are two objects, me and Zainab. Now, if Bab Tafa'ala is used, I become the subject. Ya Mutakalam becomes the subject. And Zainab becomes the object. And my father has no role at all. Okay? He's no longer there now. Fine. Another example, brother. Allamani Bilalun as-sibah. Brother, sibah is swimming. Are you with me, brother and sister? Allamani. What is Bilalun? 5. Are you with me? Bilalun is 5. So now we leave him out. We drop him. So what will you say now? Ta'allamtu sibaha. I learned the sibah. Bilal taught me swimming. Now I say I learned the swimming. What is this process called? Mutawa. Okay. Now I have written here, brothers and sisters, few things extra. Okay. See, Kassartu zujaja. What did I write? Kassartu zujaja. What is the meaning of Kassartu zujaja? I smashed the glass into pieces. So what became of the glass? Takassar zujaju. The glass broke into, smashed into many pieces. Brother, what happened to tu? It went away. Zujaja, maf'ulun bi. It became fa'il. So this process is called mutawatu. Means, the verb agrees or accepts. Okay? Mutawi'un. Tawa'a. Tawa'a is the verb. And mutawi'un is your ismu fa'il. Tawa'a, you can also write down. It has this meaning also. What is the meaning, brother? Ata'a, to obey. Okay? It has this meaning also. There are many meanings, tawa'a, but one meaning is ata'a also. To obey, to consent. Okay? Now, brothers and sisters, this belongs to form 2 and form 5. Now, fatahtul baba. Fatahtul baba. Meaning of fatahtul baba? I open the door. Now you see, we bring fataha into form 7. Okay? And 2 is dropped. And al-baba, which is maf'ulun bihi, becomes 5. So what will you say? In fatahal babu. What is the meaning of in fatahal babu? The door opened. Who opened it? That is not mentioned. Okay? In other words, in fatahal babu gives the meaning of passive voice. Are you with me? It gives the meaning of passive voice. Same way, takassara zujaju, the glass broke into, smashed into pieces. But who broke it? So in other words, there is a meaning of passive voice in this. Okay. But it is not passive voice. It is not passive voice. Al-babu is fa'il. Al-zujaju is fa'il. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? So now read this sentence carefully. A verb in active voice. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? A verb in active voice. This is active voice. This is active voice. Are you with me? The verb in active voice with a passive meaning in another form. It gives passive meaning in another form of the same verb. Are the verbs same? The root, it is same. What is the root, brother? Kaf, Sin, Ra. Kaf, Sin, Ra. Here, Fa, Ta, Ha. Here, Fa, Ta, Ha. So it means this mutawa. What is it, mutawa, brother? That you have a verb in active voice, but when you change into a different form of the same verb, different form of the same verb, and it will give you the meaning of passive. Are you with me? So this process is called al-mutawa. Okay. If you write down this thing and keep it in your file, in your notes, brothers and sisters, inshallah, if you do not get 100% now, don't worry. It took me a little while to really understand it fully. Okay. Inshallah, if you revise it 2-3 times, you will get it. Look at this, brother. Allamtuhu. Translation. Allamtuhu. I taught him. I taught him. So what happened? Fata'allama. He learned. Are you with me? What is the meaning of this? Allamtuhu fata'allama. Is it the same verb? Yes. Ain, Lam, Mim. Ain, Lam, Mim. That is the root. So they are from the same form of verbs, you know. Same verb. Okay. Zavashtuhu. What is the meaning of Zavashtuhu? I married him. Okay. So what happened? Fatazawwaja. So he married. Are you with me? So, tu in both cases got dropped. And from form 2, it went to form 5. Are you with me? Form 2 to form 5. Now, akhartuhu. What is the meaning of akhartuhu? Akhara. To delay someone. Akhartuhu. I delayed him. So what happened? So he was late. The akhara. So do you see the relationship between these things? And what is this called? Al-mutawa'atu. So like they agree. There's a kind of an agreement between these two verbs. How do they agree? That the file from this is dropped. And then mafulun bihi becomes the file. That's it. That's what the key will explain you. Are you with me, brothers and sisters? The file from the verb will be dropped. And the mafulun bihi will become the file in the other form. And which will convey the meaning of passive voice. Brothers and sisters, if you say, takatharat zujaju. Tell me, what does it mean? The glass smashed into pieces. Who smashed it? See, that gives you the meaning of passive voice. We don't know, okay? But again, it is not passive. Because in passive voice, you have naif file. There is no naif file here. Fatahtul baba. What is the meaning of fatahtul baba? I opened the door. Okay. Now you say, in fatahal babu, the door opened. So in both cases, what happened, brothers and sisters? In the first form, there was a file which got dropped. And the mafulun bihi became the file in the other form. Is it clear, brothers and sisters? Inshallah. When you will read it with these examples, inshallah, you'll find it that it makes sense. It's very logical. And if you hear this word, al-mutawa'atu, it should not scare you.